I'm going to give you a quick rundown today of how you can use Solink's line cross feature to really see how many people are entering your property and where they're going. You can use this data to better inform decisions around staffing, layouts, and promotions, and you can even use it to create some really helpful widgets on the dashboard page. You can actually see here that I've used line cross data to create some widgets. We have total people traffic, total visitors per location, average occupancy per hour, and even average revenue per customer. All of these widgets are pulling in data from several different lines that I've created across my cameras. Let me dive in and show you what I mean. So here we have a camera pointing at this location's entrance, which is a really good example for the type of camera that you'd want to configure line cross for. This is because I can draw my line just like so, right in front of the door. And now when somebody crosses either side of this line, it'll help us understand when people are leaving and when people are entering the location. You can also use the video player buttons to manually navigate to each time somebody crosses the line. Where line cross really starts to shine is when you connect your POS system data to Solink. Not only are you going to get the approximate occupancy count between any given time frame, but you're also going to get the conversion rate and revenue per customer. Now obviously we don't want to keep coming back to this page, creating new lines and checking the data on the fly. We want to have those widgets automatically display the data like I showed before. I'll quickly run through that process, and the first thing you want to do here is create the line that you're happy with and then save it here so that events start outputting whenever people cross the line. Once the data starts generating from those events, they'll appear on the events page here, and I can actually capture that data in a report and save it. And then finally, on the dashboard page, we can create a new widget and use that report to get the widgets that we're looking for when it comes to line cross. Of course, again, these are just examples of what we can do. There's plenty more data points that you could display here. If you're looking for something unique, you can work with your customer success representative and they will gladly help you out.